we will set up the things that we require to mock our backend. Now, there are two approaches that we can take. One, we actually work with the real backend using real database, or for this crash course, we can simply use JSON server. That will work out of the box, that will behave like a DB. So that will suffice for our needs. So let's go and simply install that. I will add JSON server, and then I will create using the touch command db.json. Another thing that I will install is concurrently. Now that we have that, let's go back to our VS Code. Here in db.json, we will write this and we will say users. This will behave like a database for our users, kind of like a table, kind of like a collection, whatever you want to call it, it is right here. Then we will have something called articles, which is going to be the articles for our blogs. And these two should work for our entire project. Let's save this. Now we go back to our package JSON, and below this format, we write another command, which is going to be json-server. And then we will say JSON server -- watch db.json. This is what it should be watching, this file, -- port 5500. This is where it should run. Now let's also have a command called concurrently, and this will be concurrently / to escape this quotation, again / to escape this quotation. Within these two quotations, we will have our JSON server -- watch db json -- port 5500, then space, again these two. Between these two quotation, we will have next-dev, and that does our trick. So now when we are back to our terminal, we can simply say n runs or n concurrently, and that started our JSON server first, then our resources. Now if I go back to this, you will have our server running in port 3000, and then you will have our route running, our backend running in port 5500. If you slash it with users, you will find there's nothing here.